and I'm the high school agriculture teacher and FFA advisor here at Cedar Rapids Prairie. I hope that you can join us on March 2nd from 5 to 7 p.m. to check out our new ag facility. We are so excited to showcase the new facility for agriculture, food, and natural resources. The new facility, which is located just north of Prairie High School, includes an ag science lab, classroom, and an incredible greenhouse.
Thanks to the new ag building and amazing community support, we now have expanded course offerings and currently have over 220 students like myself involved in our Prairie agriculture and FFA programs.
Our students and staff are so excited to showcase our new facility and hope that you can join us on March 2nd from 5 to 7 p.m.